Hey guys! Welcome back to another project video. Today, I'm super excited to show you this amazing loan calculator, built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. Let's go for the demo first, and then talk about it. I hope you liked the demo. It's a simple one, perfect for beginners. Let me show you how to set it up on your PC. Firstly, copy the GitHub link from the description and open the terminal. I hope you have Git installed on your PC. On the terminal, navigate to the desired project location where you want to place this project. Now type git clone and then paste the link you copied and press enter. After this, you will notice that a new folder will be created, just like in the video. Now, open that folder and you will find 3 files in it: index.html, style.css, and script.js. Open the index.html file with your browser, and here you go. You will see it completely up and running. Give it a try, and if you face any errors, drop them in the comments. Now, let's move towards the code. The code structure mainly consists of 3 files. The HTML file named index.html. The CSS file named style.css. The JavaScript file named script.js. It's a simple structure, but as you advance and learn more, this structure will become more and more complex. So, let's begin with the HTML file. This HTML code creates a loan calculator that calculates the monthly payment based on user input. The document is in HTML5, with the language set to English. The head section contains metadata, character encoding for proper text display, and viewport settings for responsiveness. The title of the page is set to Loan Calculator, and a link to an external CSS file named style.css is included for styling. The body contains a container div that wraps all the elements. Inside it, an H1 heading displays Loan Calculator. A form with the ID loan form contains input fields for the loan amount, interest rate, and months to pay. The form calls a JavaScript function named calculateLoan every time a user modifies the input values, allowing real-time calculations. The first input field is for the loan amount, ranging from 1 to 500,000, with a default of 10,000. The second input field captures the interest rate, supporting decimal values. The third input field is for the loan term in months, ranging from 6 to 48, with a default of 12. Below the form, a paragraph element with the ID payment displays the calculated monthly payment. Initially, it shows $0. Now, let's move forward to the CSS file. This CSS code styles the loan calculator for a clean and responsive design. The body has no margin or padding, ensuring elements align precisely. The dot container has a gradient background transitioning from teal to light blue. White text provides contrast, and the container has padding, rounded corners, and a subtle shadow. The H1 heading has a larger font size and margin spacing. Each label is block level, with a slightly bold font for readability. The input fields are well spaced and styled with transparency and white text. When focused, input fields change border color and background for user feedback. The dot payment class ensures the calculated loan payment stands out. For smaller screens, a media query adjusts the container padding and heading size. Now, the final and most important part, JavaScript. This JavaScript code calculates the monthly loan payment. The calculateLoan function retrieves input values and checks for validity. It ensures loan amount, interest rate, and months are within correct ranges. The function calculates the monthly interest rate and applies a standard loan formula. The result updates the payment element, rounding to 2 decimal places. The reset form function resets inputs to their default values and clears the payment display. An event listener ensures the calculate loan function runs on page load. And that's it. You've successfully built an interactive loan calculator